I have now set up the entire tripod. So let me show you around now. So right here, this is that overhead tripod. And this is great if you're going to be recording videos or taking photos from up high like this. So you can easily just bend this section right here when you need it. You just place your phone right here and this clamp right here. It also comes with a remote control that you can just connect it and synchronize with your phone, and you'll be able to take pictures, adjust the brightness levels, and turn it on. Now coming to this top tripod right here, this is where your phone will go. And you can also easily remove it right here so you can put it away. Now this light is pretty bright, and you can change the brightness levels right here. You can also change the warmth of the light. So check this out. You can also adjust the sizing like that. And then whenever you are ready to put everything away, then all you do is just bring this whole thing down. You just collapse the whole thing. Remove this, and put everything away. So really neat and nice tripod. One of the flaws of this product is that if you want to use the light like this, you are not able to do it with this piece attached. So you will have to use the light like this, and you would have to use this tripod right here.